Hi all, this is Tata Nexon XM 1.2 liter Revotron petrol model. This is Tata Nexon XM 1.2 liter turbocharged Revotron petrol engine. Its cubic capacity is 1198 cc 3-cylinder engine. Maximum power is 110 PS at the rate 5000 RPM, and maximum torque is 170 Newton meter. This model comes with alloy wheels, and the wheelbase is 2498 millimeter, and ground clearance is 209 millimeter. And its boot space is 350 liters. Fuel tank capacity is 44 liters. Its door side body has got cladding for scratch protection. Revotron engine is fully developed by Tata. It is Tata's its own engine. It has got a 6-speed manual transmission with 3 different drive modes: Eco, City and Sport. This is a 4-meter SUV, and it has got a very good non-touch Harman ConnextNext infotainment system powered by 4 speakers. One by one, I will be explaining all the details. Let's see the full details of its interior, exterior and other features. In the middle, I will be playing its Harman powerful music system. Enjoy the music too. body color is Seattle silver, and it has got ivory white accents on front fog lamps, side belt line, and tailgate. XM is one level above from the base model XE. Now what I'm going to show is it's window glasses. Tata is using the famous Saint Gobain glasses. It's a very famous brand name, Saint Gobain. Multi driver modes: Eco, City and Sport. Manual climate control. ePAS, electronic power assisted steering with the tilt adjustment. Remote central locking. All power windows. Electric adjustment for ORVM. Outside rear view mirrors. Fast USB charger. Some of its exterior features: signature LED tail lamps, door side body cladding for scratch protection, center antenna, this is not shark fin one, and there is no GPS, dual tone wheel covers. For safety and security, it has got driver and co-driver airbags, ABS with the EBD, and park assist with the rear sensors. Thanks for watching my video. In my upcoming video, I will be explaining all of its features in detail. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now. See you soon. Bye bye.